Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to make Infinity Craft in Infinity Craft. So first, grab earth and water, create a plant. Now combine with another plant, get a tree. Now combine two trees to get a forest, and forest with forest, create a jungle. Now, take earth and fire, create lava. Now, water it, create a stone. Now combine stone and wind to get a sand. Fire it, you have a glass. Now, take a fire and wind to create a smoke. Smoke the glass and you get a mirror. Now now combine earth with wind, create a dust. Now combine dust with fire to create ash. Fire the ash and you get a phoenix. Now take a water, dust, to create a mud. Mud the phoenix and you have a bird. Now combine the bird jungle and get a parrot. Now take earth and other earth to create a mountain. Combine with a mirror and you echo. Combine these two and you get a repeat. Now repeat the repeat and you have a loop. Now repeat it again. Infinite. Now take a fire and water to create a steam. Fire it again to create an engine. Now take earth and fire to create lava. Water it. Stone. It again to get a sand. Widen and get a sandbox. Now take earth and wind. Dust. Earth it. And you have a planet. Now combine these two, you get Minecraft. And finally, you get Infinity Craft. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you later. Bye.